So guys, ito yung gagamitin nating camera. Ayan, yung salamin.
And you're up.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Since we have an internet issue, it's been like doing that for 2 weeks already. After the storm, like we got a storm hail 2 weeks ago, so there's something wrong with the line internet, so we cannot do anything right now because the internet's back it on off, so we're decided to go to the store and enjoy the weather today. So let's get ready with me, guys. Hindi na ako magpa-foundation, oy. Mag-aano na lang. Welcome to my bare face. Mag-aano na lang ako eyebrows. Oh no, I don't have eyebrows anymore. Tingnan mo yan, guys. Konti na lang. Simutin na lang natin. Mag-eyebrows na lang ako. Tapos maybe konting lipstick. Sayang naman kasi wala na pala. Ay grabe, simutin natin kasi yan. Sumunod. Pupunta kami ngayon sa store, bibili ako ng gulay, saka sa gulay sa pansit ko, at saka magagawa ako ng lumpia mamaya for dinner. So samahan nyo kami, guys. Pupunta tayo sa store. Magkikilay lang ako, guys, ha. Kasi kilay is life, guys. Simutin na natin to. Ngayon ko lang na-realize, ganyan lang ako magkilay, guys. Pinuguhitan ko muna siya. I just realized now that having an bad internet is kind of like sad, because you're paying for it every month, and then your internet is like not okay, so it's kind of like unfair. So yeah, I get used to it with a nice internet though. So like very good internet. So since we don't have a nice internet right now, it's kind of worrying. No entertainment at all. Parang napakapal ata yung kilay ko. So yay, okay na ako dyan sa kilay ko. I didn't put nothing on my face, just eyebrows. I just gusto ko lang mag eyebrows ngayon. Pahinga sa makeup. Kasi pupunta lang naman kami sa store, bibili ng gulay at saka meat. Gusto ko lang magkulay ng eyebrows ko, guys. Okay na ata ako dito sa ganito na eyebrows. Yan. Sa kabila naman, guys, kabila. Welcome to my bare face. Yan yung mukha ko, guys. Wala na talaga, oh. Wala na. Samahan niyo akong mag-shopping ng mga vegetables. Sana magpantay yung kilay ko. Meron naman akong pangkilay kailangan. Yan. Parang nakapalang ko yung kilay ko. Okay lang yan. Wala na kasi, paubos na. Gustong gusto ko to guys. Ang ganda niya. Okay na ako dyan. Yan, medyo nabuhay yung ano. Ayan guys siya. Oops, I dropped something. Ayan na guys yung pilay ko. Hindi muna tayo ngayon magpa-foundation. Kasi okay na yan. Tapos lalagyan ko lang yung blush ko ng ganitong konting blush lang sa ano. Hindi ako naglagay ng kung ano-ano sa mukha ako guys. Ano lang, moisturizer. Tapos yun lang. Maglalakad-lakad lang naman tayo guys sa labas. And then ito na yung itsura niya. Lagay ko lang, napadami ata yung lagay ko. Napadami yung lagay ko guys. Lagay natin dito sa blush. Parang ano lang ba? Alam mo ang ganda nito. Ilagay ko na lang parang na ano lang ba? Tawag dito. Nasinagan ba ng araw? Parang mistisa lang na nasinagan ng araw. Mistisa na nasinagan. Ang dami kong nalagay. Bilisan ko kasi yung isa dyan naliligo na ayaw pa naman mag-antay ng isang yan. Hindi nga pantay yung kilay ko. Okay lang yan. Oh, di ba guys? Oh, parang ano lang. Parang nagpupula-pula lang ba yung pisngi pa oh. So guys, ito yung gagamitin nating camera. Yan yung itsura. So, samahan nyo kami guys. Magsa-shopping lang kami ng konti for dinner. Yay! So right now we're walking again. Enjoying the weather. It's nice today. Right, honey?
Mostly.
Yeah, it's so nice. So yeah, we're heading to the store to do a little bit shopping for dinner, right, honey?
Yes.
I'm gonna make a lumpia tonight.
Normally they're like itty bitty
Guys,
baby ones.
Sa Pilipinas hindi ito binibili. In the Philippines it's free. You just like climb the trees and you have it. But here, they're expensive.
Yeah, they're not super great either.
Ito yung mangga guys, oh. Ang mahal. Yan. Yan.
Yeah, that's
Mango.
these mangoes. This is for these little guys.
What is $1 though?
Kiwi, 3 for $1.
Kiwi? Really? Not too bad. Papaya. Tingnan mo guys yung papaya dito. $3.49 for little tiny papaya.
What?
Garlic. And then ayan na nabili ng banana, strawberry, and tomatoes. Ayan yung regular one. So, ito guys, this is the noodles that Indomie food, and they're 59 cents. So I got 2 of these. And what else? Ooh,
I don't know if that's good.
mango juice, but it's
Well, it says mango
$2.49.
nectar, which always makes me wonder. Mango puree, liquid invert sugar, cornstarch, extra flavor. $2.50.
$2.50.
I can find something more flavorful. Made from real ingredients for less. Or I can go get a Sobe and just have a whole bunch of high fructose corn syrup and flavor.
I've seen all of this chocolate make me get some, but I can't because I eat yesterday ice cream and it's messed up my throat. My throat is still hurt. When I wake up this morning, my throat is bad. It's, oh my god, look. I want one, but I can't. I'm gonna calm down a little bit.
Screw that.
Eating ice cream.
You can have Whoppers.
Just eating ice cream yesterday, it made my throat messed up. My throat is sore. So I'm gonna calm down a little bit for sweet right now. Oh, can we get those jerky, yummy jerky meat, honey?
Yeah, if we can find it.
I think the other side. Ko, meat. Ayan, yung itong... Which one do you think, honey? This is the regular one. This one
That's
is
regular old
good.
ghetto King Super Kroger brand beef
This
jerky.
is I want versus the one that always we get.
You can do Slim Jim.
Slim Jim. I'm okay with that. You
I'm
drop it.
dropping everything.
I want this one. These my favorite. They're good.
Yeah, Slim Jims are always good.
Okay. Get
The
two.
King Super ones are hit or miss.
Okay. I'm gonna get these. They're 79 cents. I'm good with that.
77.
77. I'm sorry.
It's the same thing
77 cents. Yay!
That's how they entice Filipinos. Because you guys love saying the same thing twice. Hello, hello.
Yes. Say it again, honey.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
And then,
What else? What else do you
you
know?
guys say a lot of things twice.
What else do you know? Words.
I
And
know
I've-
lots of words.
Like what?
I'm not going to go through them all.
Look, honey. Are they this normal price?
Yeah, it's pretty normal.
Okay. How are you?
Yeah, I don't remember. I mostly remember when people say things to me. I recognize it. But since I never use the language, I can't remember.
You bought the Filipino book thing and you never read it.
Yep, that's right.
Nag-stop kami dito guys sa, ang tawag dito? Lottery machine. Magagamble tayo ngayon guys. Six.
And then you still got $2 left. So you can get two $1 or one $2.
Let's get the $2 one.
Roberto, Ian Gerson, 2171, Roberto,
Oh, this one. I would like this one, honey.
Okay.
Two of these.
And we're off. There we go. And you're up. Which way?
This one.
Okay. Need to watch Aquaman?
Oh, I want to watch that, honey. Can we watch it?
We could.
Because our internet is a piece of crap right now. We can watch a movie. Yes, I want this.
There's also Crimes of Grindelwald. Haven't seen that. That's a Harry Potter thing.
Which one?
Fantastic Beasts, Crimes of Grindelwald.
So which one do you think it's like better?
I don't know. Our internet might be shit. Our internet might be okay.
So we're home guys. Kunti lang yung binili namin. Mag-prefer lang ako ng dinner namin guys. Bumili ako ng carrots para sa lumpia mamaya. Maglulumpia ako. And cabbage. And this is the meat that I'm gonna use. And a little bit of fruits. I got strawberry. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like very sweet strawberries. Onion. And banana as well because we love banana. And tea. And Dan's favorite snacks, wafer. And we got these. These are good too. Meat. You just eat it like this. And I got these two Indomie. Sometimes it's good. Sometimes when I'm lazy, I eat it with rice. So this is good. And I think that's it for the groceries we got in the store. And I'm gonna prepare to cook. And I will see you later, guys. Bye.